7 Master Tips: How to Use Money as a Good Businessman, Elon Musk Way. 1. Innovate relentlessly. Invest in cutting-edge technologies and innovative ideas. Elon Musk channels significant funds into R&D to push the boundaries of what's possible, as seen with SpaceX and Tesla. 2. Take calculated risks. Be willing to take big risks with high rewards. Musk invested his entire fortune from PayPal into SpaceX, Tesla, and SolarCity, demonstrating a commitment to his vision despite the risks. 3. Focus on long-term goals. Prioritize long-term vision over short-term gains. Musk's investments aim at long-term sustainability and growth, such as the development of sustainable energy solutions. 4. Reinvest profits. Aggressively, continuously reinvest profits into your ventures. Musk often reinvests earnings back into his companies to fuel further growth and innovation. 5. Diversify ventures. Diversify your business interests to spread risk and create multiple revenue streams. Musk is involved in various industries, from electric vehicles to space exploration to AI. 6. Optimize operational efficiency. Invest in streamlining operations and reducing costs. Musk focuses on improving efficiency, such as automating Tesla's production lines to lower costs and increase productivity. 7. Leverage public and private funding. Utilize a mix of funding sources, including public markets and private investments. Musk has successfully raised capital through IPOs and private equity to fund his ambitious projects.